Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Just received a mail from one of my subscribers from Australia, all the way from Australia, and I'm happy. He actually asked me why is that Terra Classic Coin, according to statistics, now as of 28th of January 2021, okay, 2021. Terra Classic market cap was $544 million, and Terra Classic price then was about $1.15. Okay, but today Terra Classic market cap is about $1.80 billion, which is about almost 200% of the market cap it was in 2021 when it was trading at $1.15, and yet Terra Classic price is still trading with three zeros, trading at 0.000. Three zeros. Well, to me, what I know is that Terra Classic still need a lot of things to be done, because remember, this coin actually crashed in 2022. That was in April 2022. But one thing to understand, the market cap might even hit $5 billion, and Terra Classic price might not even reach $1, okay, or even 50 cents. The cryptocurrency that changed so many push price to massively increase. Price increase does not determine on the market cap only, because if you are looking at market cap, that simply means Shiba Inu will not be where it is. Okay, there are some coins that have more market cap than Shiba Inu, but they are still experiencing downfall. So Shiba Inu is ranked number 15 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Okay, now XRP is trading at 40 cents. But take a look at XRP. This XRP coin is ranked number 6 crypto coins with the highest market cap. That simply means this coin would have been trading with about $5, whereby Cardano is still. We compare it to Cardano, we compare it to other like Solana. We take a look at the statistics between these coins. But I think that Terra Classic reaching $1 is going to be possible, but not this year, not even next year. It's not going to be easy. Not that Terra Classic cannot hit $1 next year, but it's not going to be easy. Terra Classic need a lot of homework in the area of burning, in the area of getting more exchanger that will accept the 1.2% tax bond, because right now only Binance is burning. Kucoin are yet to burn. So now I believe that the market cap of 1 billion right now, you can see at 0.000, and there's still the market cap of 5 billion can take Terra Classic to hit about 1 penny, about 1 cent. So many things have changed. It's not based on market cap that Terra Classic will be hitting back to $1, but hitting back at $1, Terra Classic in the market cap right now of over $50 billion. But when Terra Classic was actually hitting at a massive increase in price last year, April, Terra Classic market cap of about $40 billion. The price of Terra Classic was about $115. Okay, you can see. But right now, even with $40 billion market cap, Terra Classic might just be trading at $1 or maximum $2 or $5. So many things have changed, but I hope to see Terra Classic at the profit side this year. I hope to see this coin hit a massive increase in price before the end of the year. If you ask me, I will tell you the truth. Terra Classic is one of the best coins to buy and hold. But remember, if you are buying, like our golden rule here is, buy what you can afford to lose. Do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. This is crypto industry where anything can happen, okay? But for me, I think with the support that we're getting recently, especially from one of the biggest crypto billionaires, which is CZ, Binance founder, they are strongly behind Terra Classic. Binance are really supporting. CZ is not giving up any moment from now. Not that CZ listed Terra Classic on Binance, but CZ owns Terra Classic coin. In fact, according to rumor, he lost almost $1.6 billion on Terra Classic, and he really wants to recover the money or some of the money back. That is why he has been supporting massively, openly supporting Terra Classic. He even tweeted about Terra Classic on Twitter that they are not ready to sell off any moment from now. And with the support from CZ, with the burning with the 1.2% tax bond, Terra Classic can hit 1 penny, 1 cent. Remember, hitting 1 cent right now simply means $100 investment will return about $10,000. Okay, I'm hoping to see Terra Classic increase in price. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.